Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video from Classroom Secrets. In this video I'm going to go through the answers to the Year 5 worksheet, Fractions of Amounts in Context. I'll go through the answer to each of the question and hopefully cover some of the things you might have found a little bit tricky. Question 1. Tick the calculation which matches the image below. And then you've got 4 options for the answer. We need to work out what the image is actually showing. We have a ruler which measures a metre. And we also have a bar model. The bar model represents fifths because it's been broken down into 5 pieces and 2 of them have been coloured in. So this bar model represents 2 fifths. So if we look at our options for our answer, we can already rule out C because C says 2/10 of 1 metre equals 20 centimetres and this is not representative of 2/10. However, we can't rule out D because 4/10 is the same as 2/5. They're equivalent fractions. So what we need to do now is think about how we're going to find 2/5 of 1 metre. 1 metre is the same as 100 centimetres. All the answers are in centimetres, so it helps for us to convert the measure into centimetres too. In order to find 1/5, we need to divide 100 by 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 1/5 would be 20 centimetres. So now we multiply 20 centimetres by 2 to give us 2/5. So 2/5 equals 40 centimetres because 20 times 2 is 40. So the correct answer is B. 2/5 of 1 metre is 40 centimetres. Question 2. Complete the calculation and bar model for the amount of money shown below. On your sheet you've got a £10, a £5, a £2 coin, a 50p coin, 20p coin, 2 10p coins, and 2 5p coins. So altogether we've got 10p, 20, 30p, that's 30p. Plus that 20 is 50p, that makes a whole pound. And then we've got £2, £5, that's £7, £17, £18. £18 in total. So the top number on your bar model is going to be 18. Now we need to work out 1/3 of 18 to work out the rest. So 1/3 of 18 means we do 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So £6 will go into each of these boxes. So now to find 2/3, we can add 2 together or we can multiply 6 by 2. So 2/3 of £18 equals £12. Question 3. Mason and Lara are drinking bottles of juice. Lara says, I have drunk 3/8 of my 560 millilitre bottle. Mason says, I have drunk 5/8 of my 320 millilitre bottle. Mason thinks he has drunk more than Lara. Is he correct? And explain your answer. So in order to work this out, we need to work out how much of each bottle the children have actually drunk. Lara drank 3/8 of 560 millilitres. So to find out how much Lara drank, we need to do 560 divided by 8, which is 70. And then we do 70 times 3. That's 1/8. So we times 1/8 by 3 to get 3/8, which is 210 millilitres. So Lara has drank 210 millilitres. Mason drank 5/8 of 320 millilitres. So we do 320 divided by 8 again, which is 40. And then we do 40 times 5. 40 times 5 is 200. So Mason has drank 200 millilitres. So Mason is actually incorrect because Lara has drank 210 millilitres, whereas he has drank 200 millilitres. That was an answer explanation video from Classroom Secrets. If you would like to watch the video tutorial that accompanies this step, please visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. And if you would like more resources on this step, please visit classroomsecrets.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.